What is CrazyMeta? CrazyMeta is building a fashion brand, bridging the metaverse and the real world. Through our crazy community and creators, we will make digital fashion a reality. Metaverse fashion is just fashion. Roadmap Q1 2022. Locked in fundraising. Rollout white paper version 1.0/website version 1.0. Smart contract and aim to complete CertiK audit. Forming team members. Start warming up with launchpads and investors. Start design for first NFT. Q2 2022. IDO and NFTs. Start IDO process, private and pre-sales. Prototypes of the NFT designs. Releases of partnership NFTs. Engagement with CEX. Media PR engagement. Q3 2022. NFT and production. Prepare for CEX listings. Release of Genesis 01 and 02. Community and social media growth. Equity raise, seed/angel rounds. Q4 2022. Market expansion. KOLs and celebrities cooperation. Release of other NFT series. Release of CrazyMeta app. Different languages and support. Q1 2023. More KOL and celebrities. Proof of concept for the interoperable layer. DAO version of community voting for designs. Equity raise, pre-A/A rounds. Weekly release of NFT release. Q2 2023. Advanced tech releases. App releases in different languages and different countries. Token distribution. Total supply, 250 million crazy. Private sale, 10 million. Pre-sale, 10 million. Public sale, 17,500,000. Treasury/reserve, 75 million. Incentives/staking/airdrop/giveaway, 12,500,000. Marketing, 12,500,000. Team, 25 million. Staking, 12,500,000. Liquidity, DEX and CEX 75 million. Token release schedule. Private sale, 6-month cliff rest linear vesting over 9 months. Pre-sale, 3-month cliff rest linear vesting over 6 months. Public sale, 100% on TGE. Treasury/reserve, rest linear vesting over 6 months. Incentive/staking/airdrop/giveaway, rest linear vesting over 24 months. Marketing, rest linear vesting over 6 months. Team, 12-month cliff rest linear vesting over 12 months. Staking, 0% on TGE, not in circulations. Liquidity, DEX and CEX 0% on TGE, not in circulations. Partners. The Three Kingdoms, Dare NFT, Burning Moon, North Equities, Blockchain Network PH. Team members. Mr. Eddie Huang, founder and CEO. Mr. Alex Ververis, co-founder and CTO. Mr. James Wong, co-founder and CDO. Ms. Paulina Smirnova, community manager. Ms. Mara D.E. Guzman, community moderator. Mr. Louis Tan, business dev manager. Mr. Timothy Semelin, brand advisor.